What's the meaning of contextualization? Contextualization. Contextualization.
Contextualization. Contextualization. Contextualization is the process of placing something in a specific context or situation to help better understand its meaning and significance. This can involve looking at historical, social, cultural, or other contextual factors that may impact how something is interpreted or understood. The result of contextualization is a deeper and more nuanced understanding of the thing being contextualized, as well as its relationship to the world around it. It is a valuable tool for gaining insight into complex issues and ideas, and can help prevent misunderstandings or misinterpretations.